A cheerful good morning and a very warm welcome to one and all present today in this GK class. Once again, I welcome you back on behalf of Sunbeam Academy. Starting with our today's discussion, before going ahead, once again, I would like to state here that is basically, as you know, that already the vaccination drive has been started, and that same started on our last class, which was there on 16th of January 2021. Okay, so since this drive has been started and almost all the health workers they have got it vaccinated, and at the same time our honorable delegates like your prime ministers, chief ministers, and everyone, they are continuously having a look over all this vaccination procedures, and at the same time how it is being getting controlled, or how it is being uh, going throughout the India or throughout the country, interacting with the people, those who are getting vaccinated, or interacting with the health workers, those who are involved in it. Okay, and getting the feedbacks of each and everything. Okay, so starting with this, since till the time that is we are not getting ourselves vaccinated, I request everyone to take all the necessary precautions so that we be on a safer side. Starting with our today's class, if you know, once again, one more thing I would like to state here, thereby we will be going ahead with our today's class. That is, in the last class I have given you some of the questions which were related to your mathematics, or you can say it to be your mathematical reasoning questions or mathematical simplification questions, but the response was not too good. And what I remember is that is none of you have responded to those questions, none of you have given your answers to those questions. So once again I'll be giving you the same questions which we have discussed last time, and this time I request everyone, I would prefer everyone or most of you to please go through the questions, please try to solve it, because this is going to help you a lot. Okay, so I at the end of the class I will also be explaining you how to solve those questions. Starting with our today's class, the very first thing, okay, if you are able to see here, so this was the class. Okay, this is here, if you can see, that is on 16th of January to 2021, GK class 7th, page numbers 50 and 58 and 59, which were related to our environment basically. Okay, so in this way we have completed these two page numbers, that is your page number 58 and 59. So let us start with our today's class with the syllabus, followed by the classroom discussions or the bookish part. I hope the screen has been shared. Okay, if you are able to observe here, so our environment topic has been already completed, and we are now on the next topic, that is your India and the world. Starting with this topic, that is your India and the world. So if you are able to observe, we have already completed these page numbers in your periodic test 2, that is page number 43, 48, 49, 54 and 60. So till here we have already completed. We are left behind with only these 4 page numbers, that is your page number 65, 68, 72 and 73. So let us start with one of them, that is page number 65, and let us see how much we are able to complete it today. Okay, so let us start with page number 65 here. Alright, 65 here. So we have 65. Okay, if you are able to observe here, that is this page number 65 is basically talking about the Indian states which are present in India. Okay, as the name suggests only, currently we were having 28 to 29 states, including your some of the union territories. Few more changes has been made, as we have Daman and Diu now. So identify these Indian states and write their names in the blanks. Choose your answers from the help box. Starting with the very first one we have here, that is this state has a film studio named Ramoji Film City, said to be the world largest film production circuit, which is there, or it is basically your Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Moving ahead with the next one we have here, that is the name of this state means land of the dawn, lit mountains in Sanskrit. So we this is none other than your Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so this one, the third one we have, that is this state is the home of the Shikaras, Kahwa and Samovar. I hope these are the names of the tribals, most probably as per my knowledge. So this is basically your Jammu and Kashmir. Next we have here is, that is number 4, that is this is India's smallest state by population, that is your Sikkim. Number 5 we have, that is the capital of this state was the summer headquarters of pre-independence British viceroys. Okay, so we have this one is your Himachal Pradesh, basically the hilly areas. Moving ahead with this, we have, that is this state has Gir National Park, which protects the largest of the surviving groups of Asiatic lions. Okay, this is a very famous national park, which I hope you all have studied in class 6th also. You are studying in class 7th as well, and at the same time you are going to study in class 8th as well. Okay, so this Gir National Park is nothing but the national park which is situated in Gujarat. Okay, next we have here, that is this state has the highest literacy rate in India and has adopted the slogan God's own country for its campaign, that is your Kerala. This was earlier known as the Lushai Hill district of Assam before it attained statehood in 1987. It is one of the most sparsely populated states of India, that is your Mizoram. Okay, the ninth one we have here, that is this is one of India's newest states and was carved out of the southern portion of Bihar in 2000. So that is your Jharkhand. One of the highest waterfalls in India, the Nokkalikai Falls, is located in this state, that is your Meghalaya. So in this way we have completed this page number 65. Once again I would like to recapitulate this one with in the reverse order. I'm just telling the answers. Please just, I hope all of you are completing your books side by side or simultaneously, because it is of no use that is you leave your work for the later time or in order to do it at some other point of time, because that is nothing going to do, but it is going to waste your time only. So it is my humble request from everyone to please pay attention, take your books and everything, and at the same time start writing down the answers as per the discussions only. Okay, so in the last, number 10 we have, that is your Meghalaya. Number 9 we have Jharkhand. Number 8 we have Mizoram. Number 7, that is your Kerala. Number 6, Gujarat. Number 5, Himachal Pradesh. Number 4, Sikkim. Number 3, Jammu and Kashmir. Number 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so in this way we have here, that is page number 65. Moving ahead with this, we have the next page number, that is your 68. Okay, let us go ahead with this page number, that is your page number 68 here. So here we have, that is your Nobel laureates. Okay, match these Nobel laureates with the fields in which they were awarded the prize by writing the correct letters in the boxes. Okay, we have here, that is the very first one, that is your These are the persons who have received the Nobel Prize, most probably. Nobel laureates means the people, those who have received the Nobel Prizes for their excellent work, superb work, classical works, or some innovative works in their fields of their subject. As per this, we have, that is the very first one, that is your Henry Dunant. Okay, we have here E, that is your, he got the Nobel Prize for in the field of peace, or for writing something on the peace. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore, that is for literature. Okay, A. Marie Curie for C, that is your physics. Okay, Ernest Rutherford, okay, the very famous scientist. Okay, K, that is your chemistry. Rudyard Kipling, that is your I, literature again. Number 6, we have Max Planck, that is your H, physics. Barack Obama for peace. Wangari Maathai, that is your J, again peace. Amartya Sen, that is your F, economics. Francis Crick, that is your D, medicine. Muhammad Yunus, that is for your N, peace. Paul Krugman, that is your L, economics again. V.S. Naipaul, that is for literature. And Hargobind Khorana, that is your medicine. Okay, so in this way, these are the famous personalities, these are the famous persons who have achieved these Nobel Prizes just because of their works in their fields at a particular or at a superb ratio. Okay. Starting with this, once again, I am telling you from the forward as well as the reverse order. Please try to match the letters which you all have written in the boxes. The very first one is E, A, C, K, I, H, B, J, F, D, N, L, M, G. Okay. In the reverse order, you have, that is from the downwards up to upwards, that is your G, M, L, N, D, F, J, B, H, I, K, C, and your A and E. Okay. So in this way, we have completed this page number as well. We haven't gone through the fact file as well as the thing box of the previous pages as well. That was your page number 65. So let us first go through this one, that is page number 68. Then thereafter we'll be going ahead with page number 65 here. So when we are going ahead with this fact file, so here it is, that is your Rudyard Kipling is the youngest laureate to have won the Nobel Prize in Literature. When awarded this prize in 1907, he was only 41 years old. I don't think this is very less, but maybe from their point of view, okay, 41 years is a very less time as per them. Think box. So imagine that you met a Nobel laureate for an interview. What are the questions that you would like to ask them? I request you, you can just have some of the questions written in your copies and you can share it in the query sessions window as well. Okay. If you go ahead with the fact files of page number 65 here. Okay. So the fact file here is, that is your Telangana became the 29th state of India in 2014. It shares with Andhra Pradesh its capital city Hyderabad. The official language of Telangana is Telugu. Think box we have, that is, do you think that having so many states with different cultures, languages, and foods can help in the unity of India? Discuss in class. Okay. Uh, as per my view, both the things are possible. Okay, they may lead to unity or they may lead to diversity as well. Okay, because since the people, they are belonging to different classes, different religions, different cultures, so it is very difficult for them to adjust themselves as per the normal behavior or as per the behavior of the person who is in front of them. So it is very difficult and it creates a little bit of problems in the unity of India as well. If you observed, apart from India and Pakistan, okay, or apart from India only, leave about Pakistan or any other countries which is there in this world, most of the countries you'll be able to find that they follow one of the religions, एक्सेप्ट फॉर द पीपल हु आर माइग्रेटिंग देयर, जो लोग वहाँ जाकर के रहते हैं उनकी बात को अगर हम छोड़ दें, सो all the peoples who are living there, they are part of only one religion, like mostly they belong to Christians only. Okay, in Saudi Arabia mostly they are belonging to Muslims only. Okay, Pakistan also basically most of them they are Muslims only, but we don't have anything like this in India. Okay, and that can be one of the reasons for lacking behind. Okay, because if you compare your country, our country, that is your India, with the other countries, we'll be able to find that whatever may be the reason, whether it is corruptions, the citizens, or anyone, we are lacking behind much than other countries. Let us go ahead with the next one. First, let us have a look over the time and thereafter. Okay, so it's 17 minutes has been passed. Okay, so we can go ahead with one more page number, I hope. So 65 and 68 we have done. The next page number is your 72. Well, let us do one thing. First, let us complete the current affairs. Let me explain you how to solve those questions. Thereafter, if time is there, we will be going ahead with this page number 72. Okay. So starting with the current affairs. These are the current affairs of yesterday. Okay. So here we have, that is, how is India Innovation Index calculated to rank states or union territories? So the India Innovation Index 2020 was released on January 2021 jointly by Niti Aayog and Institute of Competitiveness. The index portrays the innovative capacities of the states and union territories. Have a look at the methodology used by Niti Aayog for calculation of India Innovation Index and know how are the states ranked. Khelo India Janskar Winter Sports Festival starts in Ladakh. The Khelo India Janskar Winter Sports Festival began at Padum in Janskar, Kargil district of Ladakh on January 21, 2021. The festival was inaugurated by Union Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju and will go on for 13 days. It aims to promote Janskar as a destination for winter tourists in the UT. Okay. Next we have, that is, NASA shares pictures of massive galaxy cluster Hubble 370. Okay. That is the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is the full form of NASA, on January 19, 2021 shared an image of the massive galaxy cluster named Hubble 370 on its Twitter and Instagram accounts. The first of its kind picture shows a huge cluster of galaxies which is located 4.9 billion light years away from the planet Earth. Okay. Next we have here is, that is your DPIIT launches regulatory portal for all central and state level compliances. Okay, or compliances. That is basically related to your complaints. Okay. So the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade on January 20, 2021 launched a regulatory compliance portal, a first of its kind portal of all central as well as state level compliances. It will help to minimize burdensome compliances. That is, since we have a lot of complaints in our countries, whether it is the police stations or anywhere else, and it is very difficult. We have long pending cases going on in the courts, no results, just getting the dates and dates getting extended. So this is one of the we can say to be a good step in order to minimize the number of active complaints and to have the resolution or to get the solution as soon as possible. Okay. Next we have, that is the PM Modi interacted with COVID-19 vaccine beneficiaries in Varanasi. That is PM Narendra Modi on January 22, 2021 interacted with COVID-19 vaccine beneficiaries and the vaccinators in Varanasi via video conferencing. The interaction gave first-hand opportunity to hear the feedback and experiences of the beneficiaries. Beneficiary here basically is referring to those peoples who have got vaccinated. Okay. So this was there for the current affairs. Now let us see the time here. Alright, it's 23:18. Now it's time for those questions which has been given. These are some of yesterday's. That is, Joe Biden becomes the 46th president of the US. Next we have Cabinet approves investment of 5,281.94 crores for a hydropower project in Jammu and Kashmir. US President Joe Biden signs 15 executive orders on the first day of his administration. India ready to play a constructive role at UNSC. Memorandum of Understanding signed between DRDO and MORTH for sustainable geohazard management. Okay. Moving ahead with the question answers. Okay, here it is. Okay. So the very first question we have here is, that is, okay, this question. I'm not able to understand why you all are not able to do this question. Okay, this is a question related to your exponents and powers. Okay, the very first thing is that you have to just multiply 3 times 9, you will get 729, plus 3 times 6, most probably you will be getting 216, equals to 1.5 to the power question mark multiplied by this one, 8 5 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24 plus 4, 28, that is 280. Add both of them, 729 plus 216, and divide it by 400, and see, you will be getting some of the answers like 3375 or 33.75. 33.75 is nothing but the cube of 1.5. So you can write that 1.5 whole to the power 3 equals to 1.5 whole to the power question mark. And in this way, you'll be able to find that since bases are equal, therefore powers are also equal. So the correct answer will be 3 here. Okay. Number 12 we have, that is 0.005 into 10 to the power 5 into 33 minus question mark equals to 60 whole square. Okay. So here if you multiply both of them, that is 0.005 multiplied by 10 to the power 5, you'll be getting 500. Okay. As you have 5 zeros here, so 5 times the decimal is going to shift in the forward direction as per the rule of multiplication in terms of zeros or to the basis zeros. So 1, 2, 3 plus 2 more zeros, so this will become 500 multiplied by 33. Okay, that will be equal to 500 multiplied 16500. Okay, minus question mark equals to 60 square is 3600. Okay, so now you have to find it out, this one question mark. So you will transpose 60 square, that is 3600, on the left hand side and this question mark on the right hand side. So in this way you'll get here, that is 16500 minus 3600, that will be equal to 12,900. Okay, moving ahead with the next question we have here is, that is number 13, that is 3 by 5 of 4 by 7 of 2 by 3 of 875 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 here. Okay, since we have here that is 5 to the power minus 1, so this can be written as 1 by 5. Now if you put into everywhere, and if you change this divide sign in multiplication sign as per the rule of division of fractions, okay, so you will get here, that is 1 upon 5 again will be getting reciprocal and it will become 5 here. Okay, then 5 will be getting cancelled. Okay, 3 will be getting cancelled. You can reduce this 875 by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 5 ja 35, that is 125. Here we have left behind with only 4 and 2, that is 4 2 ja 8 multiplied by 125, you'll be getting the answer 1000. So I request you to please solve these questions because this is going to help you a lot. Okay, that's all for today because already it's 28 minutes has been passed. Okay, so we have done 2 of the page numbers, that is these 2 page numbers we have done, that is page number 65 and 68. Okay, whereas after this 72 and 73 we will be doing it in the next class. Apart from this, we have also discussed about the current affairs related to yesterday's as well as day before yesterday's little bit, and I have also explained you how to solve these questions. Therefore I request you to please solve these questions and share your solutions in the query session window so that we can have a look over it, and at the same time we can use it for the demonstration as well, or even others may also get the solution of these questions. Okay, so this was all for today. I hope you all would have got some peaceful information in today's class, and I hope all of you are going to follow the instructions which have been given by me. Okay, so this was all for today. Thanks a lot for being with me and have a superb day ahead. Thank you.